Before anything else, Happy Teacher's Day to all the teachers watching and future educators. So, for our topic for today, as you can see, this is all about the activity proposal that we can make in terms of Teacher's Day or in connection to our Teacher's Day celebration. Specifically, this is along GAD or Gender and Development project proposal. So, of course, as teachers, we always make a proposal before having the activity outside the classroom, especially if we are going to elsewhere and have the activity. So here, as you can see, ipapakita ko po sa inyo yung sample activity proposal. So, with the title, Empowering Educators, Advancing Gender Equality in Teaching for a Better Tomorrow. So, you have here the proponent, but you can change this kung ano yung gusto nyo. The target date, kung kailan. So, this is always applicable every time that we are going to celebrate Teacher's Day or kung kailan tayo nagkapakandak ng ating GAD training. Then, venue. Then, rationale. If you want this, you can take pictures or pause the video. Yan. Then, after the rationale, the next part is the objectives. So, yan. So, we have here a footnote. Pwede nyo po yung i-edit. So, if you want the soft copy, please check the description. Next, after the objectives, we have the target participants. Again, this one can be modified. After the participants, you have here the proposed activities. Again, these are just suggested activities that you can always modify if you want or if you have in your own activity. Then, after that, the budget estimate. So, for clarification, before or when you make this activity proposal, always check your budget if the estimated budget can be sourced out from the GAD fund. So here, the source is GAD fund. Then after that, you have also, again, this is just a sample estimated budget. Depende po sa inyo kung ano or kung ilan yung para sa inyong activity. Then we have the expected outputs. Here, you can also modify this, but this one is just suggested outputs. Then monitoring and evaluation. Then, of course, your signatories, the one who prepared this. So, this is collaboration of the faculty, president or vice president, then the GAD coordinator. So, magkatulong po sila. Then, of course, it should be recommended by your school principal for approval by your school's division superintendent. So, that's it. I hope nakatulong naman tayo sa inyo in terms of a sample activity proposal in relation to Teacher's Day and GAD activity. If nakatulong tayo, please leave a message kung hanggang saan nakakaabot yung ating video. Maganda kung sabihin po natin kung anong division tayo for you to be acknowledged. Don't worry, dahil binabasa ko po lahat ng mga comments. And nilove natin yan. Thank you for supporting our channel. If you are new, you can always like and subscribe for more updated contents, educational files or contents. You can always join our group. Ilalagay ko po sa description. Paki-check na lang. Thank you and God bless po. Again, Happy Teacher's Day to every teacher and becoming teacher.